So 2 recipes of focaccia, and then we're going to make some grissini as well. What I'm going to do most of the time is I'll demonstrate and then you do it, so we do it in steps. With kneading, what we want to do is we want to stretch the dough and then fold it over. Look at this teamwork over here. Someone capture this, magic. So it's stretch into align all the gluten chains, and then when we fold it over, we build a structure. Yeah, fantastic. Oh, look at that. Everyone's got the hang of that quick. Now what we want to do is just check that there's enough elasticity in this. So to do that, I'll do something called the rope test, which is just basically stretching it out. Not being funny, lads, but the girls are doing well down there. Better pick it up. It's looking good, actually. That will make a really nice focaccia, that will.